Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you an interesting strategy that's built on just 2 indicators, and it has already proven its effectiveness many times. Watch this video until the end. I'll go over all the details and show you some real trading examples. So make sure to hit that like button and let's move on to the setup. So guys, we go to the indicators tab and select the Vortex oscillator. Then we also add the Bollinger Bands indicator. For the Vortex, we'll leave the standard settings, a 14 period with the default color palette. As for the Bollinger Bands, we set the period to 20, the deviation to 2, hit save, and everything is ready. We'll be trading based on Vortex crossovers as well as from Bollinger Band touches. Of course, we'll also adapt to each situation individually. Let's get started. One minute of your time. I want to remind you about my Telegram channel where I regularly share educational materials, trading tips, and insightful articles about the Forex market. But for those of you who are serious about leveling up your trading game, I offer an exclusive opportunity to copy my trades directly through the platform's social trading feature. This means you can stay active in the market even while you're relaxing at home. My trades are mirrored instantly on your account, so you profit alongside me. If you want to know exactly how to connect to social trading, just send me a direct message. There are a few simple requirements, and this feature is available to everyone. My contact info is right below this video. Now, let's get back to the strategy. All right, guys, let's focus on this currency pair, Euro GBP. I'm entering the market with a sell trade. Let's break it down. The trend here is clearly downward. Plus, we see a crossover on the Vortex, which signals seller dominance. On top of that, there's a horizontal level that the price just tested and bounced off from. The setup looks pretty solid, so let's watch how this option closes. The setup was read correctly, and I'm taking my profit. Perfect. I won't linger here for too long. Let's move on and try to find another solid opportunity. This strategy is showing pretty good results, so it's definitely worth paying attention to. And as you can see, I've already found a new setup, the GBP USD currency pair, and I'm entering a sell position. We have a seller zone of interest here, which could push the price even lower. There's also a crossover signaling the start of seller's dominance. The market is in accumulation right now, so we need to be a bit cautious. Let's watch how this trade plays out. Unfortunately, this trade didn't go in my favor. Okay, I'll open a recovery trade for $450. Now I just need to find a good setup. The Euro-Audi currency pair looks interesting, so I'm entering a buy position. Vortex is showing buyer dominance, plus we're in a solid uptrend. There's also potential for the price to reach the upper Bollinger Band, and right now we've got a nice impulse movement. This is my first recovery trade. Let's see how it plays out. In the very last seconds, my position closed in profit. That's great. But since the situation here is unstable, it's better to move on and look for another asset. The trade closed in the green, and that's what matters. Oh, look, there's an excellent setup right away. I spotted a candlestick pattern, a shooting star, touching the upper Bollinger Band, which signals a potential sell. However, Vortex is showing buyer dominance. Let's see how this option closes. It's a very interesting situation, and we'll take it into account moving forward. The only thing not ideal here is that there's no Vortex signal, but let's watch anyway. It's a pity. The trade went into the red. It was a very good setup, but this is yet another reminder that nothing in the market is 100% certain. I won't be discouraged and will continue trading. I'll need to open another hedge. Okay, guys, I'm already in the market. Unfortunately, the recording paused, so I couldn't capture the entry. But anyway, look at the Euro-USD pair. Here's what I see. The corrective impulse is ending. We have a local uptrend. Vortex confirms buyer dominance, and buyers still have room to push the price upward, so the setup looks great. I spent a bit of time finding it, but let's see how it plays out. This current impulse, however, doesn't inspire much confidence, especially since Vortex is now showing seller dominance. So things are a bit tense. Let's watch. What a pity. I spent a long time looking for this setup, but unfortunately it didn't work out. So now I'll open a hedge position for $1,200 and let's see if I can turn this situation around. Okay guys, let's try to trade this situation. I'm entering the market with a sell position. The trend is indeed downward and Vortex is showing seller dominance, which is just what we need. Honestly, I'm quite nervous, but I'm keeping my composure. The trade is already open, so let's see if I can make a profit in this trading session. Phew, the trade goes into profit. That's the second cover, and I'm really happy. I managed to turn this situation into a positive outcome. Guys, I want to remind you to always stick to your risk management and don't forget about trading psychology. Wishing you great results. See you soon. I need to take a break.